Learn the English spellings, basic English terms and phrases. Basic terms and phrases. Number 1, thank you. Number 2, sorry. Number 3, thanking you. Number 4, regards. Number 5, yours faithfully. Number 6, goodbye. Number 7, yours truly. Number 8, welcome. Number 9, grateful. Number 10, bless. Number 11, favorite. Number 12, my pleasure. Number 13, excuse me. Number 14, get well soon. Number 15, bon voyage. Number 16, see you soon. Number 17, as soon as possible. Number 18, necessary. Number 19, cheer up. Number 20, turn on. Number 21, switch on. Number 22, switch off. Number 23, conclude. Number 24, include. Number 25, look forward to. Number 26, think back. Number 27, think over. Number 28, carry on. Number 29, grow up. Number 30, log in. Number 31, log off or log out. Number 32, kind perusal. Number 33, note down. Number 34, take off. Number 35, close down. Number 36, take care.